where you don't work, where skills you they bring to the table. Those one where relevant. Me, I know they put my age. Most time when I sense people think I'm a man. The first time I met Ogayo, I thought you were a man. So it's okay. You don't have to know whether I'm man, whether I'm woman. When you call me because you like waiting, I don't write for CV, then we go talk. Then I go sell myself in person. So first thing first, make sure your CV don't even get all this typographical error, all those things. I say your CV now you. If I see and you know the whole story Bible of your life, you know if you pay attention, remove all the grammar. Then you me I go hire you. No.
What of if that you they interview me now? They call them and say where you come from. I can't tell you say what you make you the one know.
I know me like that now. You for explain now. You for explain. No.
Why you they ask what you come from? Now you go help me do the work I want. That's make you apply me. They tell me say you ask me what.
You go find the way you go answer. I'm a child of Nigeria. So you know you go find the way you go answer.
But if me I come tell them I be radio militant, they go be apply me.
So if I come from, if looking like now, the person where they talk,
don't talk. Just then cover letter, that one na a letter where you dey send with your CV or with your resume to explain, say why you won't work for this person. The way I dey tell people for your cover letter, why you, why me, almost as if na marriage or you want take the person out. Why you want to take me out? Why I for take you? So for the employer, why you want to work? Why I want work with you? And why you go take? Why you want me for your company? Waiting I for do for you. That's not a cover letter. Simple. No, you go say why me? I don't they do this thing. I don't do this. Now waiting I go bring to your company. And why I won't work with you now? Because where you they go in your company and where me I they try to go for my life. So we are in line, same vision.
So if you take me, we go make a good team.
Exactly. At least the person go remember you after that kind of letter.
Wale, before you answering that your question, before you answering that question, I beg. They say one for the thing where you suppose no put inside your slim fit. Now one. If you know say if you write there say you don't marry. What? Wait. Yes. What? Yes. So if you not say if you write there say you don't marry, they not go give you that one. No write it there. They say come out it.
When they ask, make you tell them, but make you no lie for the thing, because if you lie, zero disqualification.
Madam,
if you tell me,
I know where they spoke.
Mommy, they want
I understand. But make you not put marital status for the CV at all. No right time. When they ask you, go now say,
you must talk with the truth.
But my husband, the proper person will let me work or something like that.
The place where you came from, if you not say it go cost wahala for you.
No put
am there.
State of origin.
Number 2. He said Pelik. He said Pelik.
State of origin.
To affect so that one CV where you put everything for your life. That's why they say me I they do resume 1 page where I don't work, where I don't go to school, what I don't do for my community, where they relevant for the work where I won't get. 1 page. If you want to know where I marry, where local government, where how old I am, when you see me you for ask. Some employers go email you and say you not tell me your gender, you not tell me in that case you for answer. But don't lie. You don't want, like he said, now maybe you want somebody the way they travel up and down the place, and you know in your heart of hearts, your husband don't go allow you travel more than. So you for just tell the truth so that you disqualify yourself from the job where you want disqualify.
So how you want to know that way they find fair lumi, where they find CV, where they find waiting the color note.
You go do your homework. That's another thing I want to talk. When you want to apply for a job where you really want, you go do your homework. When you want to marry somebody, you no go ask around. Who be this person? You don't get picking outside. Waiting on the way they go church. Same thing when you want to work for somebody like a married. Now you go find out. You go find out who they work there. Ask them. Go to where they go for lunch. When they go for lunch, you go sit for the same booker. Ask them. Hey, so me I'm interested in working that way. How will it be? Understanding that some people go lie because they don't want to come take their job. But you go try and use They don't pay salary on time. You will talk to multiple people as well. But you two, you go understand how the place be. They be tribalists. Now only their brothers' children they put for that place. How they progress for that place? Waiting they pay. How do they work Saturday, Sunday? They sell. Every you have to know.
Everybody now going to send